We continue with number 83 on our countdown of the top 100 gods. Pele, the Hawaiian goddess of volcanoes and fire. Known as a creator and destroyer, Pele is central to Hawaiian mythology, embodying the raw, untamed power of nature. She resides in the fiery depths of Kilauea, one of the world's most active volcanoes, where her presence is said to shape the islands of Hawaii through eruptions and lava flows. Pele's fiery spirit is both revered and feared, and her temper is legendary in stories that warn against disrespecting the land. Travelers and locals alike leave offerings to her, such as flowers and food, to honor her and seek her favor. With her immense power and vital role in creation, Pele is an enduring symbol of resilience and transformation. Join us tomorrow as we reveal number 82. Thanks for watching the Cryptic Conclave.